Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fully assemble Grundig LED floor lamp. And to do this, first we're gonna start with the base, and for that you will need those two legs, and then now place them, or actually slide them down like this, so you can see the screw holes on the bottom, like I have right here. Hopefully you can see it. Let me increase the brightness, maybe then you'll be able to see them. So you can see those screws right here, and you need to also find them inside the package and place them with the hollow side on the outside. Now we can move to the other leg. Okay, so I think we're done with the legs. So let's place it right here. Then we have those two sticks. They are the LED lamps, and we need to look for the one with the closed end. This one right here. And basically attach those two together. And there's a female and male sides for them. So this is the male side and this is a female side. Now we'll need to align them and plug them in. Okay, now make sure that they are properly connected like this, and then attach the female end to the base the same way we did right now. Sadly, I don't have that camera angle. So now they are connected, and next thing is a cable. So take the cable and unwrap it. Connect the cable to adapter. It's USB. And then take the USB-C end and connect it with your lamp. Now only thing left to do is connect it to the power source. It should already spring to life like it is for me. And then there's a pilot. From the pilot you will need to remove this sticker. Inside there should be the battery inserted already. If not, you will need to actually insert the battery, and after that you can remotely control the lights. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.